Yep. Okay, cool.
Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Nightmare. Today is Thursday, which means another action-packed paintball game from my home field, Seabreeze Paintball. I've decided that I'm going to flip-flop each week between a game where I use D-mags and one where I use Helix mags. Last week, I posted a video where I used D-mags, so that's right, you guessed it, I'm using Helix mags this week.
Woo! 20 rounds, baby!
Yep, I sure was, and I still am excited about having 20-round continuous feed Helix mags, as you can obviously tell.
Moving up the road! Moving up the road! Behind the spools! Spools, my 12! We got one guy at the spools in front of me. We've got one guy in the far back.
And see the guy for the spool.
Oh, buddy, I am so stuck. I am so stuck. Ah, my mag.
The only problem I seemed to have on this day was hitting my ambidextrous release. I kept gripping the mag well out of habit, and once I hit the release, the mags would just rocket right on out of there.
What do you got?
I'm taking right now.
Right in front of you, man, for those pallets, right in front of you.
I see him.
Travis, these pallets right ahead of me. My 12. Right behind you.
Alright. He's still just left of that tree.
Left of that tree. I can see him moving over there. See the barrel? It's all right. Good job, Trav. Good job. Right in front of us? Spools? Spools?
No, that tall stand up. It's like a wall. Right here.
Normally, I wouldn't shoot a player at this range, but due to the heavy enemy presence in the area, I figured it was best to just eliminate him rather than try to surrender him and then get shot by one of his teammates.
They're coming from behind? We've still got road. We've still got road. My 12! My 12! Roger! Careful, he's shooting at this bunker. Not seen! Moving! What do you got? What do you got?
He's out. What do we got right in front of us?
Is he? Yeah, on the road! On the road! You hit! Road is eliminated! Road's clear!
Alright, what are we doing?
What's our next move, boys?
Move up along the berm and take it.
Up the berm?
Move up the road or what? Yeah.
I want a line on this road. Yellow or blue? Blue! Blue! He's blue! He's blue!
Remember guys, if you went on to enjoy this video, give that like button a click. And if you're new, go ahead and bonus ball that subscribe button. I post a new video every Thursday. And now with that out of the way, thanks for watching guys, and I'm sorry for the rainy footage. Perhaps next time it won't be raining on us. Yeah right, what am I saying? It's the Maritimes after all. Until next Thursday, don't overdo it, and remember to keep living life one mag at a time.
I was wondering.